Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change account type on Indeed jobs. I wonder why you want to know how to change account type on Indeed jobs. Maybe because before you were a person who was looking for jobs, but now you have started your business, or maybe you have joined a company which is looking for some talent. So you want to become an employer and look for different candidates to hire. Or there could be any other reason for you to change the account type for yourself. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Indeed Jobs. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Indeed Jobs to open the app. Once the app gets open, it will just take a while to load, and once it gets loaded, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top, we have a search bar at the top, and at the bottom we have different options as well, and in the middle we also have some options as well through which we could find for you or the recommended things. Now if you want to change your account type, like if you are a person who's seeking for a job but you have got a job, like you have become a HR manager and now you want to hire people for your company, or you have just started your business and you're looking for candidates, so you can become an employer as well. Therefore, first you have to click on these three lines. Once you get there, you will see different options as well. So from all these options, you just have to simply go for this option, which is settings, which is in the middle, or you could say bottom side of the screen. Once you find that option, settings, tap on it and you will land into the settings. First you will read the title of settings and you will find many different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose in this app. So once you have tapped onto the account settings, there you will see different options as well. First, you will see this option which says account type. Once you tap onto that option, it will be changed from job seeker to job provider. So once you get there, we have two options: job seeker, like you're an employee and looking for job. And the second option is for a person who is looking for candidates, who is looking for employees. Once you have changed it, just simply click on save and your account type will be changed. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the account type on Indeed jobs. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.